What's going on, guys? My name is Justin Savage with MarineMax Venice. We have here a 2023 Sea Ray 230 SPX. I wanted to touch base on a few things, walk you guys through the boat. As you see on the back here, this one's powered with a Mercury 200. Plenty of power to move this boat. This boat is also a great beginner boat for families looking to get into it for the first time, or if you're just looking for something to daily cruise on. This is 23 feet, and as you can see in the cockpit area here, there's plenty of room to move around and tons of storage inside the boat. Back here, since this is a outboard, you'll find a ton of storage back here instead of an engine. You also have dedicated storage for your table bases and arms. Big wraparound seating here, dedicated for a cooler under there, and also more storage here. You can also fill that with ice, self-draining. Tons of storage in the middle here if you're going to do any kind of tubing, skiing, anything like that with the kids. Dual captain's chairs. This is a 200, so you will have digital throttle and shift. Very seamless, less mechanics, really nice and easy to use. 9-inch display from Simrad. This is going to give you all your engine schematics, depth, chart plotting, all that good stuff. Very intuitive, but also really simple to get through. Fusion head unit, all Bluetooth. You'll also have a small head, big enough for the kiddos out on the water. Nice open bow here as well. Another table base, so you can do some snacks, lunches while you're out on the water if you're hitting the sandbar. Speakers in the bow, speakers in the cockpit. So a lot of music going on when you're hanging out on the boat. Come in and see for yourself. This is a very short walkthrough, but plenty of more options to go over with the boat. Again, my name is Justin Savage. Come on in to MarineMax Venice.